Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a rear upper strut brace from TB Performance Products on my GR Corolla. So shouldn't be too terribly difficult to install, and it actually installs in a different location than the factory one to add a little bit more rigidity to the rear of the car. So let me show you what the bar looks like and we'll get started. And here is the bar. It is a beefy little sucker. I've used their products before and they're fantastic, well made, made in the US. And, you know, so if you're looking for some things, then they make products for several different cars. I've got some of their stuff on my 2017 Corolla IM, and now I'll have some on this car. So give them a look if you're interested in anything. And if you guys like this kind of video or something, you know, please subscribe, hit the like button, and help me grow. So with that, let's go ahead and get this put in. So this is designed to go right into those two mounting points where those are, and it will sit like that, essentially. So let me get my 10 millimeter and we'll get those out. And they do provide you with 2 bolts to install it, although I'm assuming you could probably even use the same bolts, the OEM bolts, if you wanted to. I don't even think I'm gonna have to take out the foam piece. Other side real quick. There we go. Okay. Those are out. They appear, the OEM bolts are a little shorter. So you can see how they're a little shorter there. But I suspect you could use either one you want. Both ends of the bar, the end pieces adjust so you can get the right spacing for it and tension it, and then just kind of keep adjusting them until you get it dialed right in. So I got a little ways to go here. Wow, my eyeball was pretty good. I'm 22 millimeters on both sides right now. Okay, but we're still a little ways away from it. Okay, so we're 27 on both sides. Okay. Okay, I like that. I think I'm going to reuse the OEM one because it's got a washer on it, which is a little bit bigger surface. Open this up because I get to the bolts easier. That one started. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Okay. Tighten this up by twisting it. One of these fittings is reverse threaded, so that's why they will both tighten or loosen, depending on which way you do it here. I'm using a little small ratchet because as this kind of countersinks into the space, it makes the wrench hard to get the angle. What this does is it gives it a place to actually stiffen that is a little bit higher than the OEM one. So the OEM one sits down. If you take the foam out, you'll be able to see it. So this sits down maybe, or up maybe, I don't know, 4 to 6 inches higher without seeing the other one. But an extra piece will never hurt to stiffen things up. So there you have it. That's how simple this install is. So, and you really don't lose. If you want to put your seats down, yes, there's a bar there, but you still have all that space. So that's a good thing too. And I guess theoretically, if you really had to have it out of the way, it's 2 10mm bolts. So nothing that can't be taken out in a few minutes. So anyway. So there you have it, guys. That's a nice quick modification and install to improve your chassis, tighten it up a little bit more. And it literally takes, a few minutes, 5 minutes or so, and you can have that installed. So thanks for joining me. Appreciate it. And until next time, we'll see you down the road. So looking at this, I had an afterthought. I might want to take this off at some point and just, since where it's adjusted now, then throw some paint on those threads there on both sides, just to clean it up a little bit, now that I know where it needs to be adjusted to. Something for a future day. Now it's time to go watch some football.